I'm about to pull my gun out, and it's going to be perfectly safe just because of trigger finger discipline. That's what we need to talk about today. Here is my gun, my everyday carry. I'm going to turn the laser and light off. You don't have to see that. Pulling it out, keeping it pointed in a safe direction, and this is safe because of trigger finger discipline. My trigger finger never goes on the trigger until I have made a conscious decision to shoot. You may have heard, don't put your finger on the trigger until your sights are on the target. Nope, you still haven't made a conscious decision to shoot. So we don't want you to put your finger on the trigger until you have made a conscious decision to shoot. If you do that, you will always maintain good trigger finger discipline. The safest place for your finger is indexed, that's why they call it your index finger, on the side of the frame. Up away from the trigger and away from the trigger guard until you are ready to shoot. Okay? Now we'll make this gun perfectly safe by taking out the source of ammunition, racking the slide several times until the round falls out. Notice I didn't try to catch it. We let the round fall out. And then we visually and physically inspect that there's nothing in the chamber. Now this firearm is safe. The action is locked open. It can't fire. But trigger finger discipline is one of the key elements to making sure you don't have a negligent discharge. Keep your finger off the trigger until you've made that choice to shoot. I'm Kevin Michalowski, editor of Concealed Carry Magazine. If you like these videos, please share them with all your friends. And remember to subscribe to this page. We'll give you more great information every week. And click that notifications bell up in the corner. We'll notify you every time we come out with a new video.